Hey guys, in this tutorial, I would like to share a quick tip on how to improve the presentation of this type of chart. So here we're looking at customer order frequency, which gives us a distribution of customers who placed a certain number of orders. So on the x-axis, we have the total count of unique customer IDs, and on the y-axis, we're looking at the number of order buckets. The percent value that is displayed at the end of each bar gives us the percent of total customers across the entire table. All right, so in the current view, we have a country filter set to France, and we're showing 7 different buckets, from 1 to 7 orders. But what if we were to go ahead and change our filter selection to a different country? So let's go ahead and choose Germany from our filter. So now we can see buckets 1 through 5, but we also have this additional bucket for 8 orders. And this can be misleading because this 8th bucket is next to our 5th bucket. So if you were to take a quick glance at this visualization, you may actually assume that this last bucket is the 6th bucket. And the reason why this happens is because we're looking at discrete buckets where there's no sense of scale on the y-axis. So one of the things that we can do is we can convert the unique count of orders per customer dimension to continuous. And this is going to give us the scale of numbers on the y-axis. So let's go ahead and do that. So we're going to click on the orders per customer dimension and we're going to select continuous. Next, we're going to change our mark type to a bar. We're going to click on size, choose fixed, and we want to set our alignment to center. And so as you can see, we now have a customer's order frequency chart, which correctly displays the buckets on a continuous scale. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks.